Hi guys, trying to show you here what I'm making for dinner. So I have one zucchini, one Spanish onion that I cut in half and then I sliced across. Okay, I put kosher salt and black pepper. I added 1/8 of a cup of pure olive oil and then half a cup of water. And I put it on medium heat and I covered it. So this way the vegetables and the onions get like tender. Okay, so they're not burning and they're just like nice and like more on the steam side. Then I'm gonna add this here roasted garlic, okay, cherry tomato pasta sauce. This is a very good quality, okay, it's gluten free. And so I'm gonna add it right on once my vegetables get tender and they're ready. So at the end I'm gonna add this here, a cup of this. So, and it's still on, it's on medium heat, and I'm gonna like let it boil a little bit, get all the flavors in. And then what you can do with this is you can put it on top of your spaghetti and on top of pasta, ziti, whatever you like, it's gonna be, or you can just have it like this with whatever else you're having, but it would work perfect with macaronis, some type of macaroni, pasta, spaghetti, one of those. So I hope this, so and after I added the sauce, I'm gonna give it like about 3-4 minutes just for it to get the taste together. I'm gonna boil it, so I'm gonna cover it again. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.